Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and let's proceed with common basic charts in Power BI. And in this video, let's do a pie chart. So let me just take you to Power BI desktop so that we can do a pie chart. So when you look at my Power BI desktop, I already have data loaded on the BI desktop. And I have a table here for sales with quite a number of fields, but we need to do a pie chart. So let me just click on the icon for the visual for pie chart, and when I click on the visual pie chart, under the field button, you can see I have quite a number of options. I have legend, I have details, I have values, and I have tooltips. But let me drag a country and drop under the legend, and drag sales amount and drop under values. So you can see already we build a pie chart, and it's that easy to build. But still, again, you can do some cosmetic amendments or changes by clicking on this formatting button, and then let me go on data labels. I want my labeling to be having the country name and the value, so let me change that. Then let me go to labeling style. If I click here, I'll have a list of options. So I want category and data value, so I'll click on this one, and then I'll change the color to be black. And then now I can do away with the legend because my labeling has been done in terms of category and value. So I'll do the labeling, rather the legend. Then again, I can still do some quite cosmetic changes. I can align the title to the center and do a border with the different colors. So I'll go to title, then line it, give it center alignment. Then I'll go to border, do maybe 18px and give it the border different color like dark blue. Then again, I want my data labeling to be inside the pie chart. So let me just go to data labels. Then I'll scroll down to label position, then I'll do it inside. Then I don't want any background color on my labeling, so I'll go to background color and put it off. Then let me just put the color to be white to give it a better view. So ladies and gentlemen, we've done a pie chart, and it was that simple. So this video was meant for this pie chart, so let's stop at that, and let's do a funnel chart on the next video.